Assalamu alaikum, respectable viewers. This is fact that magic is a real life phenomenon, and we also know that it may cause serious psychological problems, it may cause domestic problems, it can also become a major reason for financial issues of person. So today we are here with a commonly asked question, and that is we know that magic cause these problems, but does it cause major medical issues or not? Does it have any link to the medical issues of today's times?
So, Mr. Salman, as you said, it is reality. Magic cause different problems, okay, psychological issues, domestic and financial issues, and magic also causes health issues. Serious health problems are also caused by magic. Okay, so there are some serious diseases. For example, cancer. Cancer is caused by magic. Even some spiritual practitioners, spiritual healers, they are of the opinion that cancer is not caused by any physical issue. It is always caused by magic and genes. But I do not accept this opinion. I am of the opinion that mostly cancer is caused by magic and evil eye and gene possession, but it can be a physical issue. It can be a spiritual problem, it can be a physical problem. Okay, there can be anything. It can caused by magic or it can caused by a physical issue.
So here comes another question. How can we be able to differentiate between these two things, that either it is afflicted by black magic or some physical health issues?
So, Mr. Salman, as you know, in spiritual matters, in spiritual issues, we cannot measure a thing. Okay, we work on estimation and we work on symptoms. Okay, so there are some symptoms which allow us to say that this type of cancer is caused by magic. For example, if someone is suffering from cancer, okay, cancer is diagnosed, but what is the reason behind it? All the tests and reports are clear, but the person is bearing serious health problems, okay, and the doctors are answerless. They have nothing to say about this issue. So what is it? So this is caused by magic.
So you mean to say, when there are, when the reports are clear, and the doctors don't have anything to say about your disease, so this may be caused by
magic.
Black magic.
Okay, so in this issue, more than 90% cases are affected by magic. Okay, so another thing is, if a patient is suffering with cancer and that cancer is caused by magic, so we recite Holy Quran, we do ruqya. So when we do ruqya, okay, so the situation of patient will be totally different. Okay, so the ruqya will tell us that this cancer is not caused by physical issues. It's not a physical problem, it is a spiritual problem. Another thing, and the third symptom is dreams. Okay, when someone sees in dream lizard, snake, that lizard is biting him, snake is biting him, or they are throwing their venom on the dreamer, and then after that dreams, the patient gets ill and he becomes victim of cancer. Okay, so this cancer is also caused by magic. Okay, so and one other thing, blood cancer and breast cancer, both the types are mostly affected by magic. And breast cancer, especially on the right side, this is almost affected by magic. This is caused by magic.
This will definitely be new things for our audience, because most of the people do not know these things.
Actually, we do not believe in things, but a lot of people said that cancer is not curable. Why? Because the thing that is spiritual, how can you heal that thing with physical instruments? How can you heal that thing with tablets? That is not diagnosable. Okay, so cancer is caused by spiritual issues. And the second major disease is paralysis. paralysis is also caused by magic. And then also it can be spiritual issue and it can be physical issue. And then the question again comes, how can we differentiate that?
Symptoms, Mr. Gulfam,
Symptoms, dreams, ruqya. Okay, ruqya tells us most of the time that this person is affected by magic. We start performing ruqya, we start recitation of Holy Quran, and the person starts screaming, the person starts vomiting. So what is this? Okay. So ruqya tells us that this person, this disease is caused by magic, this paralysis is caused by magic. And the person who is suffering with paralysis, cupping is a beneficial thing for him. Okay, so the patient who is suffering with paralysis, he should apply cupping on his body. And the third major disease, serious disease that is caused by magic is heart diseases, heart issues. So there are a lot of reasons behind heart issues. Old age is a reason, and cholesterol is a reason, high blood pressure is a reason, and there are some other reasons behind heart diseases. But one thing, if someone is feeling heart pain on a specific moment, on a special moment, and for example, if someone has felt heart pain at 2 a.m. and again on the next day at 2 a.m. is again facing that problem, and on the third day is also facing that problem. So if the pain always comes on a special point, on a specific point, so this is caused by magic.
Without medical issues.
Without medical issues. And the second thing is heartbeat. Heartbeat on a rise in heartbeat on a specific moment on a day. Okay. For the rest of the time, the person feels easy. Okay. But on a specific moment, his heartbeat gets on a rise. Okay. So this is also caused by magic. And another thing, if someone feels a burden on his heart, okay, so this is also caused by magic. And there is another thing that if someone feels that someone is pricking some knife or something in my heart, so this is also caused by magic. So what is it? Mostly magicians take the picture of the person and they take knife on the heart, on the picture. Okay, so and then he recites some mantar jantar, so this kind of thing. Okay, so when the magician performs that thing, the person feels heart pain. Okay, so mostly heart pain is also affected by magic. So these are the three diseases: cancer, paralysis, and heart issues, heart attacks. So these major diseases are caused by magic.
So thank you so very much, Mr. Gulfam, for your time, for the information you shared. So we have come to know that three major medical issues, three major diseases like cancer, paralysis, and heart issues are mostly caused by black magic or evil eye or this sort of supernatural, elements.